Smart Lock Installation Guide. 1. Accessories included after opening the package. Front lock, rear lock, lock body fixing screws, connecting sleeve, connecting screws, keys, square rod, limit spring, cards. 2. Determine door opening direction and adjust lock bolt orientation. Skip this step if lock body reversal is not required. First, push the clutch upward, press the lock bolt inward, rotate it 180, then push it outward. If the bolt springs back, the reversal is complete. Note: install the lock body with the bolt facing upward, insert the lock body into the door slot, tighten the lock body fixing screws. 3. Front lock pre-installation preparation. Adjust the direction of the front handle according to your needs. Loosen the handle fixing screw inside the precision casting and remove the screw. Take out the handle. You can rotate it to face left or right. In the video, the door opens to the right, so the handle faces right. Tighten the handle fixing screw. If the handle springs back smoothly, the adjustment is successful. First, loosen the sleeve, then align it with the groove on the rubber pad and screw it on. You can also adjust the sleeve position according to your door hole. Hold the sleeve and pull it upward to tighten it. Tighten it again with pliers. The triangle mark on the precision casting must be aligned with the handle. 4. Rear lock pre-installation preparation. Adjust the direction of the rear handle according to your needs. Loosen the handle fixing screw inside the precision casting and remove the screw. Take out the handle. You can rotate it to face left or right. In the video, the door opens to the right, so the handle faces left. Tighten the handle fixing screw. If the handle springs back smoothly, the adjustment is successful. After adjustment, both handles should face outward. Unscrew the battery cover fixing screws and remove the battery cover. Unscrew the rear lock fixing screws and take out the liner plate. 5. Accessory trimming and smart lock assembly. Insert one end of the square rod into the front lock precision casting. Install the front lock. Route the power cable from outside to inside the door. Align the square rod with the square hole of the lock body, and close the panel flush against the door surface. Measure the square rod and mark 0.5-1 cm from the door surface. Use a cutting tool to trim off the excess. Pay attention to the hole alignment. Pass the power cable through the rear lock liner plate and press it firmly against the door surface. Insert the connecting screws into the front lock sleeve and tighten. When tightening with a tool, leave slight flexibility. Ensure the front lock, liner plate, and door edge are parallel. Note: check whether the square rod is centered in the circle of the rear lock liner plate, then fully tighten the upper and lower connecting screws. Connect the front and rear lock power cables. Be careful not to insert the connectors misaligned or incompletely. Tuck excess cables inside the door to prevent them from being crushed. Insert the limit spring into the square precision casting of the rear lock. Align the limit spring with the square rod and close the panel. Turn the rear lock handle to check that locking and unlocking operate smoothly. Tighten the rear lock fixing screws. Insert 4 AA batteries according to the correct polarity. Press and hold the small hole below the batteries for about 5 seconds. When the system prompts for initialization, press the O+ keys on the front lock to initialize. Close the battery compartment cover and tighten the fixing screws. Installation complete.